Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Chemistry with Sarika. In today's session, I'm going to take carbon and its compound. Please share, like and subscribe my channel Chemistry with Sarika. Okay, so in today's session, I am going to take electron dot structure or else Lewis dot structure of hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, ammonia NH3, CH4 methane, S8 sulfur. So, for what we are waiting, let us start with the today's session where I am going to take the Lewis dot structure of hydrogen molecule. Now, here one hydrogen will have only one electron in its outermost shell. This outermost shell is K shell. Now, the another hydrogen will have one electron in its outermost shell. This one electron is present in K shell. Do you know why I have written only one outside it? Because hydrogen has atomic number 1. So this 1 tells us the atomic number as well as the number of electrons present in that particular atom. Now, these two hydrogen will combine with each other to form hydrogen molecule. This is hydrogen atom, this is hydrogen atom and this is hydrogen molecule. Now, I am drawing the Lewis dot structure of hydrogen. This is one electron of first hydrogen. This is the another electron of second hydrogen. Now, can you see the way I am drawing the circle? Okay. Now, this hydrogen has got two electrons because of equal sharing of electron. This hydrogen, see the way I am drawing, has got again two electrons in its shell. Now, any atom in the periodic table or any element will form a bond with another element if after forming a bond it is attaining a noble gas electronic configuration. Now, for hydrogen, the nearest noble gas is helium, and helium has 1s2, means 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So, this hydrogen has got 2 electrons. Okay, this hydrogen has got 2 electrons. So can you see, because of equal sharing of electron between two atoms, this atom is attaining the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Hence the molecule is stable, and this is the Lewis dot structure for hydrogen. Towards the Lewis dot structure of chlorine molecule. So, here I am writing one chlorine molecule. Here I have written one chlorine atom. Sorry, not molecule, it's an atom. This is one chlorine atom, this is another chlorine atom. Both of them will come together, share an electron, share a pair of electrons, and they will form a molecule, that is Cl2. Okay, so the atomic number of chlorine is 17. So this chlorine has electronic configuration 287. This chlorine will have electronic configuration 287. Now, can you see the outermost shell have 7 electrons in chlorine. So those 7 electron I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7th one. This is one chlorine atom outermost electronic configuration. Why I am doing only outermost electronic configuration? Why I am writing, do you know? Because only the outermost shell takes part in the bonding. Now here I will draw the another chlorine atom having 7 electrons in an outermost shell. So these are 7 electrons of this chlorine atom. Do you know it only requires 1 electron to complete its octet, 8 electrons. So how it will do? This chlorine, see the way I have drawn. Now can you count, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this chlorine atom has attained octet. Now here, this chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it requires one more electron to acquire octet. So here again, can you see earlier it was 7 plus 1 of this chlorine atom becomes 8. So by equal sharing of electrons, can you see there is a formation of chlorine molecule. So there is a formation of a bond, and whenever there is an equal sharing of electron between two atoms, it will always form a covalent bond. Okay, so after this example, let us move towards the oxygen molecule. So now we are going to study the formation of oxygen molecule. We are going to see its Lewis dot structure. Let us start. Now, oxygen has atomic number how much? It had atomic number 8. So this is one oxygen atom. I am drawing the another oxygen atom having atomic number 8. So the distribution of electron in between the shells will be 2, 6. Here it will be 2, 6. Now these oxygen atom had 6 electrons in its outermost shell. As I told you, only the outermost shell will take part in bonding. So I am drawing here these 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the electrons of one oxygen atom. Now the another oxygen atom I am drawing here having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this oxygen had 6 electrons, require 2 more electrons to follow the octet rule or to complete its octet. Now can you see there are 8 electrons here. Now let us move towards the another oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how much we require? We require 2 more. So can you see there is equal sharing of electrons between two atoms. Fine. So now can you trace here a bond? Can you trace here a bond? It means that there are 2 bonds between oxygen atoms of oxygen molecule. So this is the Lewis dot structure. Can you see? This oxygen has given 2 electrons to him. This oxygen has shared 2 electrons with him. It means that the type of bond which you can see over here because of or as a result of equal sharing of electron is covalent bond. Very good. I feel now you understood the Lewis dot structure of oxygen. So now we are going to study the Lewis dot structure of nitrogen molecule. Now see here, tell me the atomic number of nitrogen. It is correct, that is 7. Can you see I have written N7. The electronic distribution of nitrogen is 2 in one shell and 5 in its next shell. Now, the another atom, nitrogen atom, will have obviously the same electronic configuration. Let us see now. I have told whenever we are drawing the Lewis dot structure, we have to only consider the outermost shell electrons. So, I have drawn your nitrogen atom. There are total how many electrons in outermost shell? Correct, 5. So, here I have drawn 3 and here I am drawing 2. This was my first nitrogen atom. So, it will form a covalent bond with another nitrogen atom I am drawing here. So, there are 2 electrons and I have to still draw 3 more electrons. So, I have drawn 3 more electrons. Now, can you see, students? This nitrogen have only 5 electrons but it needs total 8 electrons to complete its octet. So how do he will do this? So he will take the help of another nitrogen atom. Now can you see there are total 8 electrons and the second nitrogen atom, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It again requires 3 more electrons. So it is going to take the help of this nitrogen. And after taking the help of another nitrogen, it fulfills its octet rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way, after equal sharing of electrons, both the nitrogen have fulfilled the octet rule and form a nitrogen molecule with how many number of bonds? Now we have to count it. Can you see 1 bond, second bond and third bond? So, in nitrogen molecule, between 2 nitrogen atom, there exist 3 bonds. So, whenever there is equal sharing of pair of electrons, the type of bond which is formed between 2 atoms is known as covalent bond. So, I hope you understood this example. So, we are not going to stop here. So, viewers, let us take the next example, that is methane. Can you guess the molecular formula of methane? Yes, it's CH4. So, we are going to draw now the Lewis dot structure of CH4 methane molecule. Now, see here. Can you tell me the atomic number of carbon? Yeah, it's 6. So, this is 6. Can you tell me the electronic distribution? Yeah, it's 2, 4. So, this 4 is very important for us because it is outermost shell electrons and this shell is only going to take part in the bonding. Now, I have told you that we are going to see the Lewis dot structure of CH4 molecule. Carbon already I have drawn. Now let us see the next 4 hydrogen atom. The atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1. It means that there is only 1 electron in K shell, which is its outermost shell. So let us draw Lewis dot structure of CH4 molecule. Can you see here? I have to draw 4 electrons of carbon. I have drawn because we are concerned only about the outermost electrons. Now, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. So, I have drawn a dot for other molecule. H. Again here H. Again here H. Okay, now hydrogen. The nearest noble gas electronic configuration for hydrogen is, can you guess? It is helium. So hydrogen require 2 electrons to complete its octet and to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration, which is also known as duplet rule. Okay, now again the same condition for the another hydrogen. Can you see carbon is sharing its electron with the hydrogen to complete it duplet. Okay, now the same condition here, equal sharing. Here also can you see sharing. So when I have drawn figure like this, in this way hydrogen has fulfilled its nearest noble gas electronic configuration of 2 electrons. But what about carbon? Okay, so let us think about carbon. Carbon had already 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will require how many electrons to complete its octet? Correct. It requires 4 electrons. So see here. Now the way I am drawing. Okay, now everyone count down. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carbon had already 4 electrons. Hydrogen has shared equally their 4 electrons. So in this way, carbon has completed its octet. Whereas hydrogen has 1 electron, it requires only 1 electron to complete its octet. That is duplet rule. So here you can see. So equal sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen will form, see here how I am drawing, 4 covalent bond, and this is the structure where you can see the equal sharing of electrons. Fine. Okay, so I had already taken hydrogen molecule Lewis dot structure, chlorine molecule Lewis dot structure, oxygen molecule Lewis dot structure. Then I have taken N2 molecule, I have taken NH3 molecule, I have taken CH4 molecule Lewis dot structure. I feel these many examples are enough to understand only one concept, what is covalent bond. The bond which is formed due to equal sharing of electron is known as covalent bond. Carbon is tetravalent in nature, and whenever it get connected to the another carbon or hydrogen or few other atoms, it forms covalent bond. Okay, so my main motto to take these Lewis dot structure is to make you understand only one concept, what is covalent bond. I hope after taking these many examples, you will be able to understand what is covalent bond. Thank you viewers to watch this video which was based on Lewis dot structure. Please keep watching me on my channel Chemistry with Sarika.